Hey guys, let's take a look at this cute little security camera from Xiaomi and let's conclude if it is any good and worth your money. This is the 2K model with magnetic base. Without further ado, let's roll the intro and get straight into the unboxing. In the box, you get a long USB cable, which is a Type-C one, power adapter, mounting base plate, and the product itself along with the user guide. Physically, it comes in this half round shape and the lens and the sensor is right in the middle, surrounded by IR lights inside the black plastic. There is a mic as well beside the lens, and at the back there is a USB Type-C port for the power supply and a speaker grill beside that. Talking about the specs, it has a 3 megapixel sensor that can produce 2K resolution images and videos. It has night vision and does not support NVR, so you cannot connect to any NVR device via Wi-Fi. You can just record directly to the device via the micro SD card slot, and you will need internet for it to work. Connecting to the device is a bit tricky. Download the Mi Home application to your phone first, create an account and log into the app and select server as Chinese mainland. As the device contains Chinese firmware, you would not be able to use it on other servers. Click next on this plus sign on the top right corner, then scan the QR code on the base plate of the device. You will be asked to connect to the router and punch in the password in the below field. Click next and select the SSID of your camera on the next page, and the pairing process will complete if all goes right. Else you need to repeat the process from the beginning. I could get mine working after the third time. Surely it is a bummer. Once the pairing is completed, you can control the device easily from your phone and monitor it live. The image quality is satisfactory for the price and the night vision is clear as well. The device can be used as walkie-talkie as it contains both a speaker and mic. Also, it is internet dependent entirely. It contains some smart features like motion detect and record, but it cannot track you live as it does not have any PTZ control, so it cannot move on its own. However, it also contains smart alarms. The device is good, works perfectly, looks good, but lacks advanced features of a true IP camera. It cannot be connected via NetIP, RTPS or onvif protocols and cannot be used as a network camera. It is a standalone security camera and gets the job done. If you just need that, then you can go for it. Now, if you have the full HD version of this camera and if you are wondering should I upgrade to the 2K model, I would suggest it is not actually needed as there is a very little difference in the image quality itself. If you need information on anything related to this device, you can leave a comment down below. This is Avik signing off. Have a good day.